Okay, people, it's time for tune-ups, fall tune-ups on furnaces. I'm here doing one at a customer's house who is a member. So we come out every year, twice a year, check the furnace, check the AC. Saves you lots of money. You also get discounts on service fees, parts and pieces. Now, you could say, oh, I change out the filter. Well, okay, that's one tiny little part of this. But what do you do with all this mess? How do you know all that's working? How do you know it's providing you everything that you need, working properly, and that it's safe? Well, that's where we come in.